Pros and cons of Carrara marble countertops. Carrara marble countertops are known for their timeless beauty and elegant appearance. With their soft white background and subtle gray veining, they can instantly elevate the look of any kitchen or bathroom, giving it a luxurious and classic feel. One of the biggest advantages of Carrara marble is its aesthetic appeal. It never goes out of style and complements both modern and traditional designs. It's also relatively more affordable compared to other types of marble, making it a popular choice for homeowners who want a premium look without an extreme price. Another benefit is that marble stays naturally cool, which is ideal for baking. If you enjoy working with dough or pastries, Carrara marble can be a very practical surface. However, there are some downsides to consider. Carrara marble is a softer stone, which makes it prone to scratches and etching. Acidic substances like lemon juice or vinegar can dull the surface if not cleaned quickly. It is also porous, meaning it can stain easily from spills like coffee, wine, or oil. Regular sealing is required to maintain its appearance and durability. In conclusion, Carrara marble countertops offer unmatched beauty and elegance, but they do require proper care and maintenance. If you're willing to invest time in upkeep, they can be a stunning addition to your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.